Well, the candidates for Montana's only contested state Supreme Court seat on the 2020 ballot mixed it up this past weekend in a debate broadcast on MTN's Face the State. MTN chief political reporter Mike Dennison has more on the debate between Supreme Court Justice Lori McKinnon and her challenger, Helena attorney Mike Black.
Black didn't wait long to challenge McKinnon in Sunday's debate, saying some of her opinions have favored landowner interests that campaigned for her election to the High Court in 2012.
When public uses come up against other property rights, she has consistently ruled against public rights to use property with respect to access.
McKinnon, who's running for a second 8-year term on the court, said she had nothing to do with the group that supported her, and that she decides cases based on the law and the facts before the court.
I had no association at all with the independent expenditures that came into the election in 2012. And Mr. Black is implying that my vote is bought as a sitting justice. That's a pretty strong accusation to make.
Black also said he believes Montana's unique constitutional right to privacy has made the right to an abortion settled law in the state, and asked if McKinnon agreed. McKinnon said Black should know that no ethical judge would answer that question, and thus prejudge a case before it's argued.
You have to look at the case that comes in front of you, review the arguments. There's always nuances to everything, and I would never say how I would rule in a case in the future.
McKinnon said her 8 years of experience on the High Court make her the best choice, and that she doesn't bring politics into any of her decisions.
I'm not a political person. I'm not a politician. I have never contributed to any campaign, and I think that fair and impartial nature is absolutely critical to a justice on the Supreme Court.
Black said he has experience that very few of the current Supreme Court justices have, working on complex cases representing wealthy and non-wealthy clients.
What I bring to the court is somebody who has fought it out in the trenches against some of the best lawyers in Montana and outside of Montana. There's nobody on the court that has the type of civil litigation background that I have on complicated cases.
Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
This weekend, our series of MTN debates continue.